Hi everybody, I got a package from Russia and it contains two YLP flashlights, which is my first two of this manufacturer. So and one of them is the unicorn, the other is a panda, or how can I say that? Is a Panda 3R. The Panda is a headlamp with throw and flood beam, 1100 lumens, 115 meters. Let's see. User manual in English and Russian. Oops. You can pause the video and see. Two spare O-rings. It's smaller than I thought. It fits well in the. You can see the difference between the two optics. Okay, maybe there is. Very good quality head strap. It has rubberized inside, soft rubber front holding part. Okay, and this little protective film. $2,600 milliamp YLP protected 18650. It has good wall thickness, nice looped threads, and YLP logo on the bottom of the battery. Let's try it. No magnet in the tail cap. The non-charger version, so the Panda 3.0 has magnet in tail cap, but it doesn't have this micro USB charger. So the charging port is the best way protected from water and dust. Short click on, short click off. We can hold to change modes, and this is the gray button, and the black button change the throw or flood or both beams. Sorry for the focus. You You can see the left is the thrower and the right is the flood beam. Yes, it have a hot spot. Oh, and the left button, double click turbo. Okay, we will see later how it works, but not bad for the first hands-on machining is good. How to label, head strap feels good. Plastics also, and the box itself is a nice magnetic box. Okay, nice. I will measure it later. So both LEDs separately and both together, what it can do. But I have a lot of headlamps, so I'm more curious about this. Oh, one thing to mention. I saw do you see the similarities? A little with the AceBeam H15. Maybe maybe they order the headband from the same manufacturer, but a lot of headband uses these plastics. I also found these on scale hands, so it can be you don't know what is came from where in China, from what factory, what supplier, so I like it. I will make a deeper review later, and let's see the unicorn. Also user manual. Oh, it's long, so I hold it or move it slowly so you can pause the video. It is a pretty advanced user interface. I read about it earlier, and you can set a lot of things, that what combination or button press do what thing. So I waited for this for a long time. Please came out. Okay, wow, nice. That they made the clip to that, I don't know what kind of color this, but not the regular stainless or black, like the color. I think it does not have a battery. Yes, correct, but it have a magnet intercap. Whoa, huge threads. You can see these are huge. And big O-ring. Let's see the head. Maybe came out. No, the head is glued inside. No, the tube is glued inside the head. kind of sad because this is a little bit offset, but let's put in a battery. I forgot to mention, it uses for the thrower beam Cree XPLHI and Cree XPG3 for the flood, and is using 4000 Kelvin 90 CRI Samsung LH351D. It has green button light. If I turn it on, we can hold change modes. I don't know what I done with triple click. I like how this turn on and off. It not just shut off the LED, it ramps up and down when you turn off or on. It's a nice feature. It has a good size for EDC. You can find the switch easily because this bump, but the switch is recessed in it, so I think it does not turn on accidentally in the pocket. So let's compare it to something. This is my Skillhand DS20 EDC now. Also single LED side switch, 18650 magnetic tail cap, and half centimeter or maybe 8 millimeters longer. Tomorrow I will carry this with me, and also the Panda. And first impression is pretty good. I like this design. Pocket clip is sturdy enough. And this is the Unicorn 1.0. It doesn't show the box. This also has the magnetic feature, 850 lumens, 125 meters, 90 CRI Samsung LED. Smart. Okay. It has pretty heavily configurable user interface, so I will get into it, and if I get used to the user interface, I will make a deeper review of this also. YLP Unicorn. And the YLP Panda 3R floodlight, throw light, and both beams. flood, throw, and both. Low beam, high beam, and unicorn. Panda, flood, throw, and both. Flood, throw, and both beams. And again, the car. And we will see how good they are. For first, I like them both. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching. Reviews coming later. Bye bye.